10 shocking common household items that could be causing cancer. Is your microwave slowly poisoning you? Could the deodorant you use every morning be increasing your cancer risk? And what if I told you that even something as simple as your cooking oil or that shiny aluminum foil you wrap your leftovers in could quietly be raising your risk of deadly diseases like cancer? Stay tuned, because in today's video we'll uncover 10 shockingly common items right in your home that research links to cancer. And don't miss the end, where I'll share a bonus detox routine to help cleanse your body from these everyday toxins. So let's break down these 10 common items by name. You probably use every single one. 1. Non-stick cooking pans, Teflon. Love that slick, easy-to-clean frying pan? Most non-stick pans are coated with Teflon PTFE or other PFAS chemicals. When overheated, which happens quickly on a stove, they release toxic fumes linked to thyroid, kidney, and testicular cancers. A Harvard study found PFAS in 98% of Americans' blood, mostly from cookware and fast food wrappers. Safer choice: switch to cast iron, stainless steel, or ceramic pans. They last decades and keep chemicals out of your meals. 2. Scented candles and air fresheners. Think your lavender candle is calming? Most scented candles and air fresheners are loaded with phthalates and benzene, both linked to lung and breast cancers. When burned, they release VOCs, volatile organic compounds, that linger in your air and lodge deep in your lungs. Safer choice: use beeswax candles or a diffuser with pure essential oils. 3. Plastic water bottles and containers. Grab a water bottle on the go, or store leftovers in plastic tubs. Most plastics contain BPA or phthalates, which mimic estrogen and disrupt hormones, raising the risk of breast, ovarian, and prostate cancers. Worse, when you microwave plastic or leave it in the sun, like in your car, it leaches even more chemicals into your water or food. Safer choice: use glass or stainless steel bottles and containers. Never microwave in plastic. 4. Aluminum foil in cooking. Wrapping your baked potatoes or grilling veggies in aluminum foil? Studies show that aluminum leaches into food, especially acidic or spicy dishes. While direct cancer links are debated, aluminum buildup is linked to oxidative stress and DNA damage, setting the stage for cancer over years. Safer choice: use unbleached parchment paper or oven-safe glass dishes instead. 5. Conventional shampoo and body wash. Check your shampoo label, see parabens or sodium lauryl sulfate. These chemicals can mimic estrogen or cause skin irritation that disrupts your immune defenses. The Journal of Applied Toxicology found higher paraben levels in breast cancer tissue. Safer choice: use organic or EWG-verified personal care products. Look for labels with simple plant-based ingredients. 6. Cheap vegetable oils: corn, soy, canola. Those big jugs of corn oil, soy oil, or vegetable oil seem harmless, but they're loaded with omega-6 fats which trigger chronic inflammation, a major factor in cancer growth. Repeated heating also creates toxic aldehydes, which damage cell DNA. Safer choice: cook with extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. They're stable and anti-inflammatory. 7. Tap water, unfiltered. Think your tap water is clean? Tests in major cities found chlorine byproducts, trihalomethanes, arsenic, and trace pharmaceuticals, many linked to bladder, liver, and kidney cancers. Safer choice: install a carbon or reverse osmosis filter. Even a simple Brita is better than nothing. 8. Dryer sheets and fabric softeners. Those fresh-smelling dryer sheets, they're loaded with quaternary ammonium compounds, synthetic fragrances, and phthalates, all of which can disrupt hormones and irritate lungs. Long-term, this chronic inflammation increases cancer risk. Safer choice: use wool dryer balls with a few drops of essential oil. Your clothes will still smell amazing without the toxins. 9. Canned foods, BPA-lined cans. Most metal cans are lined with BPA epoxy, which can seep into your food, especially acidic things like tomatoes. BPA is a well-studied endocrine disruptor tied to breast and prostate cancers. Safer choice: buy BPA-free cans, or better yet, use fresh or frozen foods. 10. Antiperspirant deodorants. Most conventional antiperspirants contain aluminum compounds to block sweat. They also include synthetic fragrances and parabens. Some studies have shown aluminum accumulates in breast tissue, though results are mixed. But with breast cancer rates so high, why risk it? Safer choice. Try aluminum-free deodorants with baking soda, magnesium, or essential oils. Bonus: daily detox ritual. Want to help your body clear out these hidden toxins? Try this gentle daily ritual. Warm lemon water first thing in the morning stimulates the liver and gallbladder to flush out toxins. Eat more cruciferous veggies, broccoli, cauliflower, kale. They boost your body's natural detox enzymes. Sweat daily. Whether it's a brisk walk or a steam shower, sweating is one of your best detox tools. Why home items are more dangerous than you think. We usually worry about outside pollutants, car exhaust, factories, pesticides on farms. But here's a shocking truth. Indoor air is often 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, according to the EPA. Why? Because of the products we bring into our homes every single day. From the kitchen to the bathroom to the laundry room, modern life is drenched in synthetic chemicals, hormone disruptors, and even known carcinogens. And over years, these build up in our bodies, damage DNA, and can silently trigger cancer. Why this matters: the slow buildup. Here's the scary part. These toxins build up in your fat, bones, and tissues for years, quietly damaging DNA and setting the stage for cancer. Most people wait until a diagnosis to care about their environment, but by then, the damage may already be done. Start small, swap out one item at a time. Your future self will thank you. How your body fights back. Until it can't. Here's something fascinating. Your body is equipped with powerful detox systems. Your liver, kidneys, gut, and even your lungs constantly filter out harmful compounds. Antioxidants from foods like berries, turmeric, leafy greens, and nuts help neutralize cancer-causing free radicals. But when the load becomes too high, or your diet is poor, your natural defenses can't keep up. That's when DNA errors slip through and abnormal cells start to grow unchecked. This is why reducing toxin exposure and eating protective foods is a double-pronged strategy against cancer. Final thoughts and call to action. Cancer doesn't always come from bad luck or genetics. Much of it is tied to what we bring into our homes every single day. Ditch the plastics. Switch to natural cleaners. Choose real, whole foods. Filter your water. Tell me in the comments, which of these 10 shocked you the most? Like this video if it opened your eyes. Share this with a friend who needs to know. Subscribe to Diseases War for more life-changing health insights, because your home should be your safe space, not a silent threat. Together, let's kick these hidden cancer risks out of our homes and out of our lives.